हमेशा ना ऐसा वो नहीं दिखना चाहिए, उल्टा हो जाएगा। Hare Krishna, so we are ready. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naranchaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudhirai Nashta Prayeshu Badreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Naistiki Mrisha Dharmasya Bharyashi Dambham Mayam Cha Shatruhan Asuta Mithunam Tattu Nirritti Jagrihe Aprajaha Mrisha Dharmasya Bharyashi Dambham Mayam Cha Shatruhan Asuta Mithunam Tattu Nirriti Jagrihe Aprajaha Mrisha Dharmasya Bharyashi Dambham Mayam Cha Shatruhan Asuta Mithunam Tattu Nirriti Jagrihe Aprajaha Mrisha Dharmasya Bharyashi Dambham Mayam Cha Shatruhan Asuta Mithunam Tattu Nirriti Jagrihe Aprajaha Mrisha Dharmasya Bharyashi Mrisha Dharmasya Bharyashi Dambham Mayam Cha Shatruhan Asuta Mithunam Tattu Nirriti Jagrihe Aprajaha. Yes. Want to chant?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Mrusadharmasya bharyasi dambham maya cha satruhan asuta mitram tattu tirutil jagruhe aprajaha. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Mrusadharmasya bharyasi dambham maya cha satruhan asuta mitram tattu nirvite jagrehe apraja. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mata Prabhuji. Hare Krishna Prabhuji. मिषाधर्मस्य भार्यासीद् दभ्भं मायां च शत्रुहन् असुता मिथुन ततु निवृत्ति जगृहे प्रजः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। मिषाधर्मस्य भार्यासी दम्भं माया च शत्रुनः असुता मिथुन तत्तु नृत्ति जगृहे प्रजः।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम प्रभु जी। निशा सद्धर्मस्य भार्यस्य दम्भं मयं स शत्रुहन् असुता मिथुनां तत्तु निर्तिर्जगृहि प्रजः। थैंक यू सो वेरी मच प्रभु जी। हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। नुषा धर्मस्य भार्यासी दम्भं मायां च शत्रुहन् असुता मिथुनं ततु निवृत्ति जगृहे प्रजः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। वृषाधर्मस्य भार्यासीत् डम्बं मायां च शत्रुहन् असूता मिथुनं तत्तु निरुत्तिर्जगृहे अप्रजः। हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
Okay. Mrisha, adharmasya of irreligion. Bharya, wife. Asit was dambham, bluffing. Mayam, cheating. And Shatruhan, or slayer of enemies. Asuta produced Mithunam combination that two but Nirriti, Jagrehe took Aprajaha, being childless. Another son of Brahma was irreligion, whose wife's name was falsity. From their combination were born two demons named Damba of bluffing, Maya or cheating. These two demons were taken by a demon named Nirriti, who had no children. Another son of Lord Brahma was irreligion, whose wife's name was falsity. From their combination born two demons named Damba of bluffing, or Maya or cheating. These two demons were taken by a demon named Nirriti, who had no children. Yes, Mataji, start.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी। Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada ki jai. It is understood herein that Adharma, irreligion, was also a son of Brahma and he married his sister Vrisha. This is the beginning of sex life between brother and sister. This unnatural combination of sex life can be possible in human society only when there is adharma or irreligion. It is understood that in the beginning of creation, Brahma created not only saintly sons like Sanaka, Sanatana and Narada, but also demonic offsprings like Niriti, Adharma, Damba, and falsity. Everything was created by Brahma in the beginning. Regarding Narada, it is understood that association
No,
because his previous life was very pious and his association very good, he was born as Narada. Others were also born in their own capacities according to their backgrounds. The law of karma continues birth after birth, and when there is a new creation, the same karma comes back with the living entities. They are born in different capacities according to karma, even though their father is originally Brahma, who is the exalted qualitative incarnation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Om Jnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Prishtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swaminiti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharini Nirvisheshaya Shunyavadi Ashat Deshatari. Jayo Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. Vrishadharmasya bharyashi Dambam mayam cha shatruhan Asuta mitanam tattu Nirriti jagrihe aprajaha. Another son of Lord Brahma was irreligion, whose wife's name was falsity. From their combination had produced two demons, named Dhamma of bluffing and Maya or cheating. These two demons were taken by a demon named Niriti, who had no children. So this is the world of Maya. The creation of Brahma is complete. It is all-sided. One side, we talk about birth of Narada, Naishtika. We had a discussion on Naishtika Brahmachari and Grihastha Brahmachari, and how to remain either of the two, Brahmachari, Brahmacharati iti Brahmachari, who is absorbed in spiritual subject matter, Shrotiyam Brahmanishtam. Tasmad Guru Prapadyeta Jigyasu Shreya Uttama. Look for a guru only when you have Shreya Uttama, when you have very Uttama inquiries. Man is known by what kind of consciousness predominates his heart. So what is the kind of conscience which should predominate our heart? Lord, please accept me. Simple matters. How do you know Lord has accepted, not accepted? You can feel. When the glories of the Lord and glories of the holy name, glories of the devotees are manifesting within our heart, the glories of the Lord are completely transcendental. The glories of the holy name are completely transcendental. The glories of the acharyas are completely transcendental. From a mundane viewpoint, we cannot appreciate them. But when we see the Lord is accepting us, means these glories touch our heart. The sweetness of the holy name touches the heart. The sweetness of the Lord pastime touches the heart. We know the Lord is accepted. And before the Lord is accepting, the Acharya accepts. So the glories of the Acharya, Guru, touches our heart. We know Lord is accepted. We feel very nice, comfort. Avashya Rakshibe Krishna. Certainly Krishna will protect me. Because the devotee develops that kind of faith. So therefore our attempt should be, everybody in this world, what is he doing? He is trying to impress somebody. Everybody in this world, what is doing? Trying to impress somebody. Oh, dekho, remote dekho. So everybody is trying to impress somebody. Please accept me. Isn't it true? Accept means you be kind to me, give me shelter, give me protection. Correct? That is what accept. Everybody is trying. Everybody is trying. But particularly we try for somebody who is having what we do not have. We don't have wealth, so we go to a rich person and try to impress him. So he should accept us and share his wealth with us. Somebody is very famous, we try to impress him so that we can also stand with him, take selfie with him. So we also become famous with it. Anything else? Yeah. Somebody is very knowledgeable, we go to him so she can share some knowledge. So what we want, if we see somebody who has that, we want to impress him so that he can share. Fine? This is fine. But actually the fact is we can only be happy if Krishna accepts us. If Krishna has not accepted us and the whole world has accepted us, it is of no use. Savai pumsa para dharma yata bhakti adhokshaje. Krishna, please accept me. That is a constant prayer. Tatte anukampa. Please be merciful to me. Constantly devote. External situation keep changing. People honor us, they dishonor us. This is part of this world. Okay? But our attempt is somewhere else. Krishna, please accept me. So when you're chanting in the morning, what you are doing? You are attentively trying to hear. Krishna, please accept me. And when Krishna accepts us, it is by his own choice. Chiram vichinnan. From unlimited millions of years, you can be trying to get the mercy of Krishna. But mercy of Krishna doesn't come by that. Mercy of Krishna comes when Krishna chooses. Atapi te dev padambujam dvaya prasad lesha anugrihita evi. Jana tattvam bhagavan mahimno. Mahimno. The glories of the Lord are manifest within the heart. Natu ev abichiram vichin. On your own you can try for millions of years, it will not happen. Tadividhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadakshandi te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshinaha. Tattvadarshinaha. And he's seen the truth. So he can give you. Upadakshandi te jnanam. Why you go to Guru? Because he can give us some spiritual knowledge. That is why we do. So you want something. Please accept me so that you can share something. So Shastra says, go to Guru, go to Krishna. Okay? So our objective is that to be accepted by Krishna. And for that, the whole practice of Krishna consciousness is going on. So that's what we are discussing in the last time, Naishtika and Grihastha Brahmachari. Yes, we should strictly walk that path. Either be Naishtika Brahmachari. If you cannot be Grihastha Brahmachari, then your life is very peaceful. But if you cannot follow rules and regulations, then very difficult. Because it is said, see, somebody is walking on the path of purification. There is the famous shloka by Shivadeva, where he says, Nunam pramatta kurute vikarama yata indriya priti apanoti nasadu manne asadatmanoyan asanapi kleshada ashadeha. Nunam pramattaha. If you walk on the path of such gratification, very soon we will become mad, crazy. Just like what is mentioned, we can't even discuss that. But Maya has no limit. Make you crazy. Kurute vikarma. Why? Yata indriya priti. If the enjoyment of senses become the goal of life, you will become mad. Kurute vikarma. You will do great sinful activities. Yata indriya. Nunam pramatta kurute vikarma yata indriya priti apanoti nasadu manne asadatmano asanapi kleshadashadeha. Nasadu manne, can't you see that? We are already suffering because of our past sinful activities. You want to do more? Just like you are admitted in the hospital, you have some, say, lung cancer because of chain smoking. And then you are admitted to the hospital. Doctor is putting all his energy to save your life, and whenever you get time, you're smoking. What will he say? Already you're suffering. Say somebody is because of too much drinking, is have a liver problem and all, admitted in hospital, and he's having so much pain, so much suffering because of that, and he's drinking. But doctor, won't that be surprised? Won't that be surprised? So, we are already suffering because of past sinful activities. Does anybody need any evidence for that? We are suffering because of past sinful activities. And nothing is happening. Krishna doesn't create our karma. If you are suffering, it's our own papa karma. Okay. Now, what to do further sinful activities? That will is it reasonable? No? Why act so foolishly? Nunam pramatta kurute vikarma yatha indriya priyatnoti nasadu manne asadatmano asanapi kleshata shadeha. Hare Baba, just watch. We are suffering. We got this body, material body, and we are suffering because of past sinful activity. We will do more sinful activities. That is foolishness. And rather, the positive thing is in the previous shloka. Nayam deha deh bhajam niloke. This shloka, all of you should cram. Na ayam deha deh bhajam niloke. You are so fortunate. Niloke, in human form of life, you got a body. You are not cat loke or dog loke. Which loke? Ni loke, even nara. So you got a human form of life. Na ayam deha. Please do not do something in this. Kashtan kaman. Don't work hard for sense enjoyment. Arhate vidbhujami. Even pigs, arhate means deserve it. They also get this sense enjoyment, just like what is mentioned here. Okay? Animals also. Nunam pramatta kurute vikarma. Animals have the no discrimination who is the person. Just want to enjoy. Mast maja madi. Nunam pramatta kurute vikarma yata indriya priyat. Oh, that is done. Nayam de bhajam niloke kashtan kaman arate vidbhujami. Don't work hard for sense enjoyment in human form of life. Not in this. Na ayam deva. Rishabhadeva is giving the famous shloka. He is about to leave for renunciation and is full of wisdom. Just like bolte na humne baal safed aise hi nahi kiye. But we are not able to speak what Rishabhadeva is speaking. Generally, in the Vedic culture, Kshatriyas will not give a pravachan. That was left to the Brahmanas. But you can always address your children now. Actually, addressing your children. So how many he had? 100. And who is the chief among them? Bharat Maharaj, who will rule after him. So all the children are collected and he is ordering them, guiding them, instructing them before leaving his kingdom and handing over to the children to manage, headed by Bharat Maharaj. So very interesting, this Rishabhadeva's 100 children, some became Paramhamsas, Navayogendras. Some became Brahmanas. He's a Kshatriya. Some were Kshatriya. Can you just imagine this? They say by birth we are Brahmanas or Kshatriyas. Then why did Rishabhadeva some children of Brahmanas? Some were Paramahamsas. Navayogendras, that is say. Okay? 9 of them became Paramahamsas. We see them traveling and they, in the 11th canto, they come to Maharaj Nimi. And Maharaj Nimi says, what are the symptoms by which I can know incarnations of different ages? And when they're talking about Kali Yuga, they predict Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Krishna Varnam Tasha Krishnam Sango Pangasa Pashadam Yagnai Sankirtan Prayajantihi Sumedasa 11.532 Srimad Bhagavatam. Very interesting. Okay. So now, I hope 32, 35. So similarly here, Rishabhadeva is instructing them, Na ayam deha, please in this human form body that my dear children you have achieved. What do the parents say generally? Mera beta settle ho gaya. He's getting 30,000, he's getting 40,000, he's getting 1 lakh, he's getting 5 lakh, he's getting 10 lakh. Bas, Shri Radha Govinda ki. And what is the point? Why you are satisfied? Now he can nicely enjoy his senses. He can have a nice car, he can eat nicely, he can sleep nicely, he can buy different gadgets, he can hold big parties and a great status symbol, and I can go among my 2-3 friends and I can boast myself. And children are a means of that. The children should do that, bring me to I can show myself to 10 friends, see I'm like this. So he is saying, Rishabhadeva, na ayam deha de bhajam. Not in this life, that you got a human form of life. Kashtan, kaman, arate vidya. Don't work hard for sense. Please don't do that. What we should do then? Suppose, do some tapasya. So then we should not eat for 4 or 5 days. But that is not said. Divyam. What kind of tapasya? Guided tapasya. Therefore, just like Srila Prabhupada has given us, Shri Radha Govinda ki jai. So Srila Prabhupada has given us some tapasya. What kind of tapasya Srila Prabhupada has given us? Very simple tapasya. What is the tapasya? Chant Hare Krishna. Is it very difficult? No. Do that now. And then what will happen when you follow the orders of the Acharya? Krishna will accept you. You don't follow the orders, don't accept. Acharya will not accept. The glories of the Lord will not manifest. Prabhupada said, you do not follow rules and regulations, what is going to happen? All doubts will remain, even about the glories of the Lord. But if you follow rules and regulations, the glories of the Lord will manifest within your heart. So tapo divyam. So what you should do? We should do tapasya. What kind of tapasya? Guided tapasya. What you should not do? Don't plan sense enjoyment. Don't work for that. Individually for yours or other people, don't waste your time. That animal life, we do that. We have already done that. Na ayam deha devajam niloki kashtan kamana tapo divyam putraka yena sattvam. So what is the use if I do tapasya? Putraka yena sattvam shuddhayet. Your heart will be purified. Great. Then what is the benefit of the heart purified? Tapo divyam putrika yena sattvam shuddhyet yasmad brahma saukyam tu anantam. You will be able to experience unlimited spiritual joy. Wow. That is what. Therefore, the Vedic culture was simple living, high thinking. So what was the Brahmana busy with? He was busy with Sattva Samshuddhi. In the 16th chapter also qualities are given. First quality is given as Sattva Samshuddhi, purification of the heart. That is what is the business of our life. And what is the best way to do it? What is the most pure thing? The holy name of the Lord. Just keep incessantly chanting. See, 16 rounds is actually when we are very busy. If you're not busy, chant 64. You have time, chant 64. Chant 100. Who's stopping you? 16 round minimum. If you're very busy, chant 16. Not that you chant 16 round. Now let me watch 2 serials. Now let me spend my whole day reading newspaper. Don't be foolish. Don't put water over whatever fire you created. Okay? So you get time, keep chanting. Why not chant more? So suppose you are retired now, chant more. Some situation has come, there is time. Chant. In the beginning, taste will not be there. Generally, we don't have taste even chanting 16 now. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare ho gaya 16 mala phanko. It's okay, one level. But proper such minimum. So in the beginning, there will be no taste. Anything when you want to develop a taste, later taste will develop. Hare Krishna, Hare. In fact, that is the symptom of spiritual progress. Dharma sanushrita pumsa vikshakshena katha suya na utpyati dhiradirati. Rati means taste. Taste. Shramevi kevalam. Otherwise, it's just waste of. So the taste has to develop. Okay? So we can chant, we can read, we can do something. We can clean, we can do something. And be peaceful. Go to a nearby temple, sit down there. Temples and sit and chant there. Sometimes we get sick, bored sitting in one place. Okay, go. Go to a nearby temple, sit down there. Sit down and chant. You feel very happy, peaceful. Keep yourself in there. We are not Babajis who can chant and read whole day. Okay, so just something we can do. Purchase something from the market, something. Keep our mind, body engaged. Because what happens is that it says prana requires water, air and space. What are the 3 things required? Water, air and space. You feel energetic. Suppose somebody is in a small room whole day, you feel dull. You just walk around, you feel very fresh, you get good. So anyway. So tapo divyam putrikayena sattam shuddhyet. So by that what happened? By guided tapasya, the heart should get purified. Yasmad brahma saukyam prananta. Unlimited spiritual happiness we start exploring. What else do you want? What else do we want? Don't you want that? So Prabhupada said with a careful discrimination, because our system is always running for sense enjoyment, we should clearly use our intelligence to discriminate. Okay, if I do this, If I do this, I can enjoy my senses. Okay, that's fine. But what do I want? Use your intelligence from the Shastra given, and then I want spiritual happiness. You want spiritual happiness? Then you have to do tapasya. It's not going to come cheap. Kuyogi. There are different terms used for Narad Muni when the Lord disappeared. Kuyogi, bhajan apakwa. Our devotion is not ripe. We are not yogi or kuyogi. The Lord will not reveal himself. Okay? The pleasure of service to Krishna, the waves and ripples of love of Krishna, we want that to be revealed, and for that we want Lord to accept us. Correct? Just like we have somebody, oh, he's a very good friend, he accepts me. You feel very happy. Don't you feel? You respect somebody, go to him, hey, how are you? Hey, he was talking to me and he was spending time with me. He accepts me. Correct? So similarly, we want the Acharya, Srila Prabhupada, to be accept us. And how does Prabhupada accept us? You follow his orders. First. And then try to join in spreading the holy name. Try to spreading the message that Srila Prabhupada left us. Then what happens? Prabhupada accepts. Okay, very nice. And then what happens? The glories of Krishna, glories of Prabhupada, glories of the Acharya, glories of the Vaishnava manifest within our heart. We're so happy. We're getting some mercy. And there is a very nice passage. It was on devotee, the comedian, previously. So he became a devotee. He gives very nice narration. He was saying, very nice, he was explaining that, there is a desire to serve Krishna, all that is there. But here, so many unwanted desires, for also the horses were racing. It was very difficult, but chanting is going on, 16 chanting. And suddenly comes love of Krishna by Prabhupada's mercy, and person life becomes perfect. So, in the beginning stages, Krishna will test us. Before giving love of Krishna, Krishna will test us, how much we are eager. And most of us fail during this test. We have a test, everybody has a test. And we, in the beginning, when we come to that, it's called part of sadhana bhakti, whole society will laugh at you. अरे क्या करे, पागल हो गए क्या? जब करे कुछ काम नहीं किया तुमको. So society will laugh at us when we take up the path of Krishna consciousness. Some people will defame us. So that's all testing time. And left to Krishna. Because Krishna, nothing lamentable can happen in Krishna's kingdom, so there is never any reason to cry. We feel we are a victim and we cry. No. There is never a reason to cry. Parikshit Maharaj was saying, no, it's very peaceful. It was very peaceful. He was not crying. Kya kar diya mere saath? It was very peaceful. Devotee means he is very peaceful. He sees in this world 3 modes are acting, and people being covered by the modes are dancing by the 3 modes. He is an observer in the world. As such, he knows everybody the eternal servant of Krishna. He is a pure devotee. But being covered by these 3 modes is behaving in a strange ways. He watches that. He is watching the behavior of the world. It is just haunted, as if people are, suppose a drunk man speaks something. What do you take? Do you give value to that? No. So everybody is actually drunk by Maya. And he is speaking based on that. He is not speaking anything to do Sattva samshuddhihi, shuddhe tasmad brahma saukyam tonanta. No, he has a goal of life, make better economic standard and let us enjoy. He doesn't have any other perspective in life. And here it is, having come to the shelter of Srila Prabhupada, and he has accepted us. He has accepted us. Therefore we all got, well, what do you want to do? I want to go back to Godhead. You already got some mercy already. Somehow you served the mission of Srila Prabhupada, you chanted the holy name, you read Srila Prabhupada book with yourself. Otherwise, why did you accept that? But then still, fully the glories of the Lord are not manifest. The Goswami are sitting in Vrindavan, very peacefully they are sitting. The glories of the Lord are fully manifest within their heart. So we want that. We don't know what we should try for. And every situation Krishna creates is to facilitate the spiritual advancement. When Chitraketu was being cursed, he was very peaceful, very peaceful. In fact, Lord Shiva said, Narayana parasharive nakutasana viviyati swarga pavarga narakeshu apip tulyartha darshana. Sometimes the situation is swarga, you're honored and lot of comfort. Sometimes naraka, you're dishonored and difficulties. Tulyartha darshana is equal. Because some plan of the Lord. They don't know, Krishna, what is your plan? What is your plan? We do not know. Right? We are not in control. Krishna is in control. And what plan he is moving us, we do not know. What he wants, he knows best. How to take me to his lotus feet, he knows. Okay? And he's arranging. For everybody, Krishna is arranging. Just like when you sit in front of a TV, something comes in front. But just suppose you're not in control, somebody else is in control. So you are forced to watch what somebody else throws. Same way is life. You cannot actually choose, somebody else chooses. And situation throws in front of us outside your control. You can't do anything. You're trying to change the channel, but something is coming. It's outside your control. And Krishna is arranging something for you to see, some lesson he has. You don't have the control. Krishna has the control. And he's throwing something. He wants you to watch certain things. Some experience he wants you to go through for your own purification. And in that, devotee is very peaceful. Krishna, what are you trying to teach me? It looks difficult, but what are you trying to teach me? Like Parikshit Maharaj did not cry because 7 days death is coming. It's okay. Imagine how much we will all cry for no offense given death penalty. He's watching, Krishna, what are you trying to teach me? What should I do in this situation? So whenever a devotee is in difficulty, he increases his meditation on Krishna. Increases meditation on Krishna, what do you want me to do? He's just deeply thinking, what is the plan? I don't know what's your plan. I can't understand. You suddenly changed my situation. I don't know, Krishna, what's your plan actually? I don't know. We make our own plan. We think, in my life, I'll do this, and I will do this, and I'll do this, and I'll go back to Godhead. Correct? But situation, Krishna may have some other plan. Chitraketu is done, just got darshan of the Lord moving in with the Gandharva curse to become a demon. And then what happens? Something wonderful happens. Send back to Godhead. Similarly, Parikshit Maharaj, Shukamuni keeps talking about the glories of the Lord. And Parikshit Maharaj hears, drinks the nectar of that. Whole bhagavatam comes out because of that. And he becomes such an advanced devotee. So we have everybody has a capacity, how much he can take it. So therefore Krishna knows best. Like the test of, if we are given test of Chota Haridas Thakur, or Bada Haridas Thakur, we'll immediately fall down. So we are not given the test. Jamila did not even have a test of Bada Haridas Thakur. Small test, and he collapsed. So in life, there are exams given, and never an exam is given beyond our capacity. We have that. So we have to pray to Krishna. Krishna, you have given me a big test. Give me now strength to pass this test. Give me strength so that I can pass this test. I don't want to make my mind 1 inch away from your lotus feet. I want constantly to work for my purification. I want my Lord to serve you and come back to your lotus feet. I want that. But your exams you're giving are very tough. Give me strength. Just like when Srila Prabhupada, we meet his movement. What is the order? Get chant 16 rounds. But you know, interest, we have no test. So what do you pray to Krishna? Krishna, you are a great devotee. He has given such a big test to me. Every day chant 16 rounds. Give me the strength to do that. Pray to Krishna. Give me the strength. Just like Prabhupada used to say, he used to every day pray in front of Rupa Goswami Samadhi in Radha Damodar temple. Please give me strength. My Guru has given a very difficult order to spread Krishna conscious worldwide. For us, first let us take care of ourselves. That I cannot able to face the present situation. I am only crying. Give me strength, Krishna, that I can see this in a transcendental position and still remain loyal to you. Correct? I have been serving you, but my situation has become difficult. What should I do? Give me strength. Give me strength so that I can finish my 16 round. Give me strength so that I can follow four regulative principles. At least this much strength you ask. Bigger strength will come later, at least this much you can ask. You can ask this much strength from Krishna that I can do this, so that I can be accepted by Srila Prabhupada. If I do this, Prabhupada will accept, and Prabhupada accept, Krishna will accept. We are not directly accepted, we are accepted through our devotee. So I can be accepted, and my life can be pleasing to Srila Prabhupada, whose glories are unlimited. Eve jas ghushu tribhuvana. In the temple, it has happened now. Huge. When you are entering the temple, first you see the huge altar of Srila Prabhupada. Who is this person? Nobody knows. Nobody knows who is Prabhupada. Ebe jas ghushu tribhu, and they think they can reach Krishna without Guru. People think like that. First, they have to understand who is Acharya. How by the mercy of Acharya, people can understand Krishna. They cannot, otherwise they will have some material kind of understanding of Krishna, very material. What is their people? So to really know the glories of Krishna, you need to be accepted by the Acharya. And when the mercy of Acharya flows, then the Krishna is revealed. Transcendental Krishna is revealed. In India, people know Krishna from TV serials. That is not transcendental Krishna. That is some material conception, some historical personality. That's all. Mythology, they say, legend, mythology. Even the title, they say, Hindu mythology, the legend of Hanuman, the legend of Krishna. What is all that? They have not even come near to the understanding of Krishna. So it so happens the temple now, first enter, they will see a huge altar of Prabhupada. Who is this person? High. I actually wanted to put it in one corner below. I can't do it. It's gone high. So let it go high, go more high. A lot of space is there. It can go, we have space till how much? 22 feet. It's not going 22 feet, but we have a lot of space. It can go. Presently it is 14, 15 feet. Nice. And we can, decorate it more so it looks very beautiful. And then we can, so it will be nice. Okay. And then they see in the pillars, Shad Goswami, 6 Goswamis. Who knows them? He said, Rupa Raghunath Padayara Asha Chaitanya Charitamrita Kahi Krishnadasa. Who knows about Rupa Goswami? Who knows about Raghunath Das Goswami? Who knows about Jiva Goswami, Sanatan Goswami? All are Goloka residents. What resident? Goloka residents. Only by their mercy, actually, you can go to Radha Krishna. So first you see Prabhupada. By mercy of Prabhupada, you get mercy of the 6 Goswamis. By mercy of the 6 Goswamis, there is Gaur Radha Krishna. You get mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And by mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you can understand Radha Krishna. It's like that, step by step. But people don't know what plan we are making. They are thinking some material Krishna, and they are going to see, Nadia. So when they enter, suppose the child will ask, Papa, who is this person? Prabhupada says a bit, I don't know. No, Papa, find out. Then uske baad Shad goes, who are these 6 Goswamis, Sanatan goes? Nobody has heard. Has anybody heard? Nobody knows. How many people know? Very rare they know. Therefore, they don't know Krishna. If you don't have mercy of the 6 Goswamis, you cannot know transcendental Goloka Krishna. These are the Goloka residents. Therefore, other Sampradaya also, they don't know Goloka Krishna. They know about Narayana, Hari Sarvottam, Hari Supreme. But the pastimes of Krishna, where he is under the protection of the devotees, is not properly understood. Only by the mercy of the Goswamis, and particularly the pastimes of Radharani feeling intense separation from Krishna. Please tell me which Sampradaya discusses, then I will be very happy. You'll not be able to find. You'll not be able to find any Sampradaya talking about intense separation of Radha from Krishna. It is not, that adhikara is not there. That was revealed by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is the whole incarnation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vairagya Vidya, Nijabhakti Yoga, Sikshartha Meka, Purusha Purana, Shri Krishna Chaitanya Shariridhari. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is manifesting this pastime of intense separation of Krishna from the Krishna feeling and the Radharani feeling, intense separation of Krishna and teaching us. Chaitanya Prabhu therefore came in that avatara to taste the glories of Krishna in the mood of Radharani. So this is imagine. So let us work on these things. Okay? Other thing, go on. Let us work in this direction. Whatever little degree of freedom Krishna gives, sometimes the freedom is expanded, sometimes Krishna's freedom is restricted. And that Krishna's the drama goes on in the world. The movie is being played by Krishna. Let us participate in that and patiently wait where an opportunity comes to serve Krishna nicely. Okay, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna.
Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna. Dhamma pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Thank you so much.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी
Prabhuji, एयरपोर्ट पे बैठे हैं, एयरपोर्ट पे.
Welcome.
Hare Krishna.
The Malyalam team came yesterday. They were there, they stayed. They came on, I think, they came on Saturday night. They were there whole Sunday. They cooked for a big feast for all the visitors. And they attended a morning program. Evening they sang wonderful bhajans. We all enjoyed. They also tried one local dance, that Kerala dance that ladies were doing. And then after that, in the morning they attended Mangalarti and left. It was so nice, so nice. 32 of them. Okay, so similarly, this is whenever possible, try to make it. And on the Sundays, and preferably I feel come around festivals, that will be nice. But depends. We have, if I can see, 3 big festivals coming. We will first have Gaur Purnima festival coming up, located. And then next we have the Rath Yatra. Then Rath Yatra. And then after that Balaram Jayanti, the inauguration. Forgot Narsimha Jayanti. So there is Gaur Purnima, Rath Yatra, Narsimha Jayanti, and the inauguration Balaram Purnima. So these, and then Janmashtami obviously. So these festivals, earlier the better. Now can come and it will be nice to meet. Festival times, it has its own advantage, unlimited services there. But now the Sunday time, the advantage is we can easily sit and chat with the devotees, meet the devotees because they are more free. Festival time, everybody busy, running. So, but we get help. And I wanted the big festivals which are there, like we have Gaur Purnima, we have this Narsimha Jayanti, Rath Yatra. People do not know. All these festivals have to be introduced. Even Balaram Jayanti. How many people knows Balaram in South India? They don't know who's Balaram. In fact, in some sampradaya, there is a misconception that Balaram is the Jiva, which is a great offense. So then nobody knows Radharani, nobody knows Balaram. So there's a lot of work. Okay, so what we can do is that there are now, we have 11 language leaders, 12 language leaders. So you can all plan that the students can do some dramas, practice dramas, and physically come and enact them. Okay, so you can, Aishwarya Mataji is here, you can coordinate with her, and so she can allocate. So say, upcoming festival of Narsimha Jayanti, now upcoming is Gaur Purnima. So why not plan the whole life of Lord Chaitanya, divided? There are so many Leela of Lord Chaitanya life, Chand Kazi Leela, this Leela, that Leela. You can all take up, say 10, 15 and divide it. Tamil department has not come, they can take up something. All department can take up something. Some people can do bhajans, some teams can take up the cooking, some teams can take up serving. And let us get ready. Because if we all know how to do it, then we can, suddenly we can't handle the crowd which will come on the inauguration. So we all know how to do. That will be nice. At least the people who are nearer. See, Kerala is very near. We are in the border. Karnataka is very near. Tamil Nadu is also very near. And Maharashtra very near. These states are just touching Bangalore. So these people should be very easy. But North India, I know it is a little difficult. It's a little far. and plan well in advance. So ticket booking and all can be very easy. I was seeing the Bangalore team now planning a visit during Gaur Purnima, and tickets I saw all were available. So if they can just plan, train ticket you can just book, because even if you cancel, you're going to lose only 50, 100 rupees. You can just book train tickets. So don't wait. Make a team and just book the tickets. That will be easy. Okay, so plan well in advance and can be coordinated. Hare Krishna. Aishwarya Mataji, you like to add something on the dramas, how they should do?
Hare Krishna Prabhu. They can coordinate with their language leaders, and because they should not have the same topic, and better, as you said, Prabhu, if they can do in Kannada or English, Hindi, better. And all the childhood pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, because local people doesn't know much about Mahaprabhu. So all are welcome.
They don't know the Goswami, they don't know Mahaprabhu, they don't know Prabhupada, they don't know anything. Even we should plan for Prabhupada Vyas Puja, beautiful pastimes of Sri Chaitanya Prabhupada life.
Yes, Prabhu.
For us also good, for devotees also good, all of us will learn.
Feb 22nd, Nityananda Trayodashi is there, Prabhu, this month.
Yeah, before that, even a festival is there, Feb 22nd. Okay. Chalo, okay, Hare Krishna everybody, Hare Krishna.